So just behind me is your living and the dining area, and you can check out how spacious the platforms over here, the L-shaped platform, how spacious this master bedroom is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Fortune Santalia Sky Villa project, which is located in Kokapet, Hyderabad. And this project is developed by SSI, that is Sri Nivasa Infra. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK sample villa. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And as you can check out, we are here on the actual site, and now this is the marketing office. Just in front of me, we'll be getting all the information and detail of the project, and the land parcel is just over this site. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview, and this project is being constructed on total 5 acres of land parcel, consisting of 4 towers in all. Each tower of 2 basement ground plus 28 floors, consisting of 4 BHK sky villas. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like a grand clubhouse, kids play area, landscape garden, sit-out area, indoor and outdoor game area with the multi-purpose court and many more amenities in this project. Now coming to the location part, and this project is exactly located on Gandhipet main road in Kokapet, Hyderabad, and this road over here is the Gandhipet main road and will connect you towards Gandhipet. And now this road just behind me will connect you towards Kokapet on Golden Mile Road. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. So Ocean Park is 650 meters away from the project. Gandhipet Lake is 2.1 kilometers away. And Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology is 3.1 kilometers away from the project. Now this is your 4 BHK sky villa of 6,333 square feet super built up area, and here we start. So this is the main entrance of the house, and the main door is right here. And before we enter further, let me show you, here's a touch panel. And here you can check out there is no direct living and a dining area. So this is your drawing room, your spacious drawing room, where you can set your sofa set in front of your TV unit. And here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your drawing area. Now we'll be moving further to check the rest of the house. And this is a formal lobby area that they have provided. So just behind me is your living and the dining area, and you can check out how spacious this area is, starting from here. On my right hand side, right here, is the puja ghar, the puja room. The puja room is as well as much more spacious. And this is your living area. Again, in your living area, you can check how the interior work is done with a sofa set over here. Now moving further towards your sit-out area. So they have provided a spacious sit-out area right here. So once you enter in your sit-out area, you can check out how spacious this is, with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and the sit-out area is 3-side cover. So you can add up your couches, your swing, and even a bar counter like this. And enjoy a beautiful sip of coffee with a beautiful scenic view. Now we'll be moving further to check the rest of the house. And here's the dining area. So you can check out how spacious they have provided a dining area. So easily you can set your 8 to 10 seater of dining table over here. Now with the easy access to your dining area, here's your kitchen area with an open kitchen concept, and you can even check out how beautifully the interior work is done with a serving platform in center. The platforms over here, the L-shaped platform with the cabinets, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose that they are providing. One more concept, they have given a concept of wet and dry kitchen area separately, and here's your wet kitchen. Once you enter your wet kitchen area, again you can check out the platforms and the cabinets over here. Again, a small window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And here comes your utility area. With anti-skid tiles over here, here's a provision for your machine as well. And there's a storeroom. Here comes a storeroom, again with anti-skid tiles, and a window for ventilation in this room. Let me inform you one more thing. There's anti-skid tiles that they are providing in your wet kitchen area. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. But before that, your powder area. So your powder area, so right here, with the sink area outside. And here's your powder room with anti-skid tiles and again with sink area inside as well. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. So here comes your bedroom number 1 just beside your Devghar. And once you enter this bedroom, you can check out how spacious this room is with a bed space right in front of me with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Even you can add up your couches over here like this. Here you can add your own decors. Here's your walk-in wardrobe which is connected to your bathroom area, the washroom area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now about your bedroom number 2. So for that we need to exit from this room. And here comes your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, you can again check out how spacious this room is with a bed space. Here's a full flex window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And here is your another best part, again the walk-in wardrobe. So basically here they have added up a dressing area which is connected to your washroom. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So as instead of the walk-in wardrobe, they have added up a dressing area. Here they have set the wardrobe set to show you how you can add your wardrobe as well over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your another bedroom. So just follow me. And this is your bedroom number 3 now. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check the uniqueness over here with the wooden flooring that they have provided you with a huge bed space in front of TV unit here. And here's again a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can check out how spacious this room is. Again with a wardrobe, that is walk-in wardrobe with attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings and the shower glass partition as well, which separates the bathing area. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom. Now before moving to master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by visiting on www.housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So for the master bedroom, you need to cross and walk through your living and the dining area. And your master bedroom is right here, starting from this grand entrance, and this is the real masterpiece. So you can check out how spacious this master bedroom is, with a big huge bed space that they have provided here. Here's a couch area, again a full-fledged window over here for ventilation and lighting purpose. So how easily you can roam around in this room. Over here they have given you the attached walk-in wardrobe. So this is your walk-in wardrobe, which is again much more spacious. Let me show you the walk-in wardrobe. So the speciality of the walk-in wardrobe is, as compared to other bedroom, it has a huge one with attached washroom as well. Even the washroom is much more spacious with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings with the 2 sink area. So now, as you all know, we are here in Kokapet location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.